So now we're here. I'm going to bring up my information again. Okay, so the first thing we want to make, since we're saying here, the first thing that foo is going to do is going to start all the way over on the left side of the instruction line. It's going to look at S, at E, at T, at C, and then he sees a space. So foo knows, I've collected a procedure name, and it better be a command because it's the first thing on the instruction line. So foo goes back and says, do I know set C? Yes, I do. I know that's a command. And he knows that set C gives color name or needs a color name or a number and sets the color of the turtle's pen. So now let's diagram that piece. So we're saying set C, that's a command. It needs one input, and we'll just leave the box length at the default box length and draw the tank. All right, so there's set C. Now, where are we getting our input to set C? The next thing that Logo sees, okay, so we've collected all of this information. Now we're going to see what's next. A letter, but I don't see a quotation mark or brackets, and it's not a number. So this better be some kind of a reporter, because I need to get input for set C. So let's see. X, C, O, R. I'm at the end of the line. So let me see if I recognize this. X core. Yes, I know what X core is, foo says. X core is a reporter. So I'm going to go back up here and say X core. X core is not a command. X core is a reporter. X core does not need any inputs, just an output. And we'll leave the box length and draw the tank. And there's X core. Now, foo has seen X core and asks X core for some output because set C needs some information. So let's see. Since X core doesn't need any inputs, X core can give us the information right away. Let's see. What is the X core for this turtle? If we open up his backpack, we see an X core of -12. And you can see the X core right here. The X core, as I move the turtle back and forth, the X core changes. Okay? I'm going to put the X core at 76. All right? So if the X core right now is 76, what is this guy going to output? He's going to output a 76, right? So let's draw the word 76. Let's say draw that word list. There's my 76. Now I'm moving the turtle, so the X core is changing a little bit, but we'll fix that in a minute. Okay, so I'm going to move things around a little bit with my selection tool. So for X core, to output 76, let's make some little arrows so it's clear. This is output. And I'm going to set foo's X-core back to 76. Okay. And tighten this picture up a little bit. And X-core. Okay, so my output from X-core, since the turtle's X-core, the current turtle's X-core is 76, my output from X-core will be 76. Okay. So foo is going to, after foo has read X-core, he asks X-core to report a number, and X-core reports 76. 76 becomes the input now. Now we're evaluating set C 76, which will set the color of the turtle to the number 76. And let me just show you, we can see that there are numbers. This orange is 25. Oh, this is a 75. Let's see if we can get a 76. There's 76. So the turtle should turn to this color. And there he is. Okay? And actually what we could do is if we open up his backpack, and his pen is down. So if we go forward 20, say, he draws a line in this color because we've changed the color of his pen to 76.